hose-free, gas-free, and headache-free. We've tested the top cordless electric nailers of 2026 to see which ones deliver that pneumatic speed without the bulky compressor. Let's get to the list. First up is the professional's choice, the Milwaukee M18 FUEL 18-gauge brad nailer. This Gen 2 model solved the recoil issues of the past by using a refined nitrogen air spring mechanism. It fires exactly when you pull the trigger with zero ramp-up time, making it feel just like a pneumatic tool. It consistently sinks nails, sub-flush in both hard and soft woods. If you're already on the M18 battery platform, this is the most reliable tool you can buy for all-day trim work. Check the link in the description for the best price on this pro-grade nailer. Next is the Metabo HPT 18-volt, multi-volt NT185 0DF. Metabo HPT has long been the pro-preferred brand for nailers, and this cordless version proves why. It is 30% smaller and 31% lighter than its predecessor, making it much more maneuverable in tight corners or for overhead crown molding. It can drive up to 1,650 nails per charge with a 3.0 amp-hour battery. The best part? It comes with a lifetime tool body warranty. Grab the link in the description to see why the pros are switching to Metabo. For the best value, the Ryobi P322 plus HP brushless airstrike is a massive leap forward for the brand. The new brushless motor and AccuDrive nose design provides significantly better visibility and power than older Ryobi models. It's capable of sinking up to 2 1/8 inch nails into hardwoods and boasts an incredible runtime of up to 2,250 nails on a single 4.0 amp-hour battery. It's the perfect pick for serious DI years and home remodelers. Click the link in the description for this high-capacity value king. The DEWALT 20-volt Max XR brad nailer remains a favorite for its ergonomic barrel grip design and balanced feel. It's a very lightweight tool at just 5.2 pounds, bare, which helps reduce fatigue during long projects. It includes a tool-free jam release and depth adjustment, and its LED lights are perfectly positioned to eliminate shadows around the firing tip. It's a rock-solid, dependable choice for anyone already invested in DEWALT's 20-volt system. Head to the description to find the direct link for this DEWALT classic. Finally, if you want the most compact tool possible, the Milwaukee M12 FUEL Compact brad nailer is a game-changer. It's the lightest cordless brad nailer on the market, weighing only 4.6 pounds with the battery included. While it's limited to a 1.5-inch maximum nail length, its ability to fit into tiny spaces like the back of a drawer or inside a cabinet is unmatched. It still uses that same nitrogen spring tech for instant firing. Don't miss out. Check the description for the link to this tiny powerhouse. Cut the cord and toss the hose. These 2026 electric nailers are ready for any project. Like and subscribe for more tool showdowns. And tell us in the comments, are you team red, yellow, or green?